Hey y'all, it's Addison and I'm here with
Lucas.
And we're reviewing some
slime.
Alright, which one should we do first?
I think pink.
Pink? Okay, we're gonna save the ice cream one for last since it's the most extra. Alright, first up is pink. So you can feel it first.
Wow.
What do you think?
It feels good. Smell your finger after that. Oh my deliciousness.
Okay, so 1 out of 10, what do you rate this one?
10.
10.
So
It smells really good. Alright, what's the next one, Lucas?
Orange.
Orange. Alright. Ooh, I like this one. It feels like that candy, the peanut candy.
So good. It smells so good. 10.
10, like Lucas said, it smells really good. Alright, so this one's really good, and we don't have enough time to do the next two, but like for part 2.